The ice cream headache or brain freeze happens because rapid cooling causes blood vessels in the roof of your mouth to suddenly constrict, then dilate. You do not lose most of your body heat through your head. The head only accounts for about 10% of heat loss, proportional to its surface area. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. A doctor cracked his own knuckles on one hand for 60 years to prove it and found no difference. Humans have more than 5 senses. In addition to sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing, we also sense balance, temperature, pain, and body position. The 5-second rule is not real. Bacteria can contaminate food almost instantly upon contact with a contaminated surface. Vaccines do not cause autism. This myth originated from a 1998 study that was retracted due to fraud and ethical violations. You do not need to drink 8 glasses of water a day. That figure originated from a misinterpretation, and most hydration comes from food. Eating eggs does not raise your cholesterol significantly. Your liver produces most of your cholesterol, and dietary cholesterol has minimal impact.